Hello friends, today I'm going to talk to you something about IELTS online exams. So basically IELTS is nothing but International English Language Testing System which you need to take for going abroad or for immigration purpose. The main purpose of taking IELTS is that to check your English language skills. In IELTS, talking about IELTS, there will be four subsections in IELTS: reading, listening, speaking and writing. Overall, there will be 9 bands in each of the sections: reading, writing, listening, and speaking. So, as per your decisions, you need to take IELTS. If you're planning to go for Australia, if you're planning to go for London, if you're planning to go for USA, New York, Ireland, whatever the country is, the basic is that you need to learn English. In talking about IELTS course, there will be total of 9 bands, which you need to get at least 6.5 in each of the sections. There will be four subsections, mainly speaking, listening, writing, and reading. In that each of this part you need to score at least 6.5 because the university will accept only 6.5 bands overall. So be careful in that. And talking about reading, it is the most difficult part in IELTS to crack the exam. In speaking, somehow you can manage to speak with, if you have it of speaking with your parents or your friends or anyone. And talking about listening also is somewhat easy. You need to have an accent of listening different kind of languages like US accent, New Zealand accent, Australian accent, how they speak, how they gesture, because their language is completely different and their accent is completely different. Talking about writing, in writing they will be given graph, pie charts, and some diagrams which you need to identify. By looking into that diagrams, you just need to cope up with that diagram and make sure that you will give a complete information and details in that diagram. Like for example, they will be asking the differentiate between 1962 year and 1952 years population growth rate. You need to give the particular how much percentage of increase they have increase in population. That's all. They will be looking for lexical resources and coherence and coherence part. Reading is a difficult part, so I suggest you to take an online course for reading, or else you can go through online for reading. There are many books like Oxford University. They provide the IELTS course book. Cambridge University. So I have taken Cambridge University because it is helpful for me to take reading part. So that's all talking about IELTS. Basically, you would just need to get 6.5 bands for. If you get less in reading, like 6 bands in reading, and other subsections like if you get 7.5, it's of none of the use. So you need to concentrate on each of the sections. Thank you.